Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And I am here sitting in the Walmart parking lot, getting ready to go in to finish up my Weekend Warrior bonus, as well as my September Leaves bonus. If I finish those two bonuses, I will get an extra $15, including the regular rebate money that I get. Guys, I have so many rebates that are on my list to get. I'm pretty sure that I'm going to get them because I only need 12 rebates to finish both of those bonuses. By the way, if you are not signed up for Ibotta, you are missing out. You need to go ahead, get signed up for Ibotta, because when you sign up for Ibotta and you use my link and redeem your first rebate, you get $10. Guys, that's amazing because that can be like a moneymaker for you. If you if you buy an item that costs $4, and you redeem a rebate for $2, that means you only paid $2 for that item, and then you get $10 back more from Ibotta. That's $12 that you're going to get in total from Ibotta for buying a $4 item. How incredible, guys. So if you haven't signed up, you have to do so. And what's even nicer about it is that once you get signed up for Ibotta, tell your friends and family about it. Because when they sign up and they redeem their first rebate, you get $10 and they get $10. And it just keeps going on and on and on and on. It's a great way to get some free money, guys, so that you can keep on couponing. So my link, it will be in the description box as well as in the comments. If you have any questions, just let me know. But in the meantime, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Comment below if you're going to go out and do any of the deals, or if you've already done the deals, let me know how they turned out. But we're going to go ahead, go in the store, get these 12 rebates so that we can get all of our bonuses and have a great haul. Okay, guys, so our first deal that we're going to do is going to be on some candy, and it is on all different kinds of Nestle candy, but it's 4 particular ones because we're going to use this coupon. I'm not sure when this coupon came out. It doesn't expire until November 1st, but I think it came out almost 3 or 4 weeks ago, maybe even a month ago. But when you buy 3 bags of Butterfinger, Crunch, Baby Ruth, or 100 gram fun size bags, 10 ounce or more, you get $2 off. So they have the Baby Grand, there's the Baby Ruth, or they have the Crunch, excuse me. There's Crunch, there's Baby Ruth, there's 100 gram, and there's Butterfinger. They're all $2.98. But let's round up and say $3. So if you grab 3 bags, so I'm going to grab 2 of the Butterfingers and 1 of the Crunch. You see I already have them in my cart. That's going to be $9. We're going to give this coupon at the register. So we're going to pay $7 at the register. But then we're going to submit to Ibotta because Ibotta has a rebate for $1 back for each bag. You can get up to 5 bags. So that'll be another $3 off. So basically, out of pocket, we'll be paying $6. And, excuse me, out of pocket, we'll be paying, say, like $3.96. Right? So $3.96 out of pocket, and that's pretty good, guys, for 3 bags of candy, especially if you're looking for candy to give out for Halloween or just for yourself. You guys know me, I'm going to have it for myself because I'm a snacker. So let's move on to our next deal. All right, so that brings us to our next deal. Our next deal is going to be on the Vaseline Lip Therapy. They're 97 cents. We're going to grab 2 of them because if you grab 2, you get 50 cents back from Ibotta. So let's grab 2 of these. And I think this is a new one. This is aloe vera scent. The last time I came, I got 2 of the regular ones. So I'm going to throw those in the cart, and we're going to move to our next deal. Alrighty, so our next deal is going to be on the Nivea Breathable Lotion. And those are $5.84. You can get either scent. It doesn't matter. But we're going to pay $5.84. But we're going to use this coupon that just came out in your last week's paper. And hold on, it's not very clear. You see it doesn't expire till 10/23, and it is $2 off. So at the register, it's going to ring up $5.84. We're going to use this coupon, so we're going to pay $3.84 at the register. But then we're going to submit to Ibotta, and we're going to get a rebate of $2. So that means that's going to be $4 off. So that's going to be $1.84 out of pocket for Nivea Breathable Lotion. We're going to grab this, put it in our cart, and I think this is a pretty good deal, guys. I think I'm going to go with the Tropical Breeze. All right, guys, I think this is a terrific deal that we're going to pick up now. I usually don't do makeup deals other than at CVS or Rite Aid because I get rewards back, such as bonus cash, and I get back wellness bucks, bonus cash and wellness bucks, same thing from Rite Aid, but I get extra bucks back from CVS. But this is a good deal that I couldn't pass up. So we're going to grab one of these CoverGirl products for $4.44. It's the CoverGirl Perfect Blender, and you can get any color. You can get the black or the blue. They're $4.44. You're going to use this coupon at the register. This just came out in your circular last week for $2 off. Excuse me, this Sunday just came out. This Sunday, today, for $2 off. So at the register, we're going to pay $2.44. But we're going to submit to Ibotta for $2 more. So that brings this down to 44 cents out of pocket. This is a great way to add to your makeup collection, or if you know a young lady who wears makeup, you know, slowly every week, get your free makeup deals, or your just about free makeup deals, because this is just about free, and put them in a basket and give it to her as a gift. I've done that several times. So guys, this is a great CoverGirl deal. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to add this to the cart, and we're going to move to our next deal. Alrighty guys, so now we've come up to a freebie. You know I love free stuff. And I'm upset with myself that I didn't bring in enough coupons, but that's okay. Hopefully the rebate will come back and I can do it again. But what it is, it's on the Nivea men's cream. This is a shaving cream, and it's for $2.97. You're going to use this coupon for $2 off any men's face product. So that means you're going to pay 97 cents at the register, but then you're going to submit to Ibotta and you're going to get $1 back. So basically this is going to be a 3-cent money maker. Now some people may have $1.50, some people may have 50 cents, some people may have $2. Everyone's Nivea rebates have been varying from one account to the other, so I'm only going by what I have, which is $1. So that's going to make this item completely free for me. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to put this in the cart, and I'm going to move to our next deal. All right, so we're at our next deal. That is going to be on the Breakstones cottage cheese doubles, and it is $1.06. You can get the blueberry or the strawberry, totally up to you. They also have peach, but I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to get the strawberry. I'm going to pay $1.06 at the register, but I'm going to submit to Ibotta for 50 cents. So this is going to be 56 cents for me. So let's go ahead and let's put it in the cart. Okay guys, so this is another repeat deal. I'm going to keep doing this Oikos yogurt deal until they stop giving it to me, because we go through yogurt like crazy in my house. So it's on the Oikos yogurt. They are $1.06. You see they have peach, cherry, lemon, strawberry, but they're $1.06 when you buy one, and you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta for a 50-cent rebate. So that's going to be 56 cents for this yogurt, and gets us even closer to our rebates. So I'm going to go ahead and throw this in the cart. Okay guys, so now we're here at the Fabuloso, and this isn't a really super cheap deal, but Fabuloso is something that I use all the time. So I'm going to go ahead and get it since I do have a rebate for it. I very rarely get a coupon, but we're going to get the Fabuloso antibacterial. They are $2.97. You can get the yellow one or you can get the purple one, totally up to you. But we're going to pay $2.97 at the register, but then we're going to submit to Ibotta for $1. So they're going to be $1.97. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to grab the purple one, the lavender, put this in our cart, and we're going to move on to our next deal. Okay guys, so I had to move out the aisle because it's really noisy, and there's a lot of music playing and I don't want my video to get flagged. But what our next deal is going to be is on these Campbell's soups, the crunchy crunch soup. So they have all different varieties. They have tomato and all kind of different things, but I just got the double noodle chicken broth soup. They are $1.98. So they're gonna bring up $1.98, but then you can print this coupon from coupons.com. I printed this, I guess, about 3 days ago. It doesn't expire until October 13th, but before I came to the store, I did make sure that it was still available to be printed, and it is. You can either print it or you can submit your receipt to coupons.com, whichever you prefer to do. So then that means that this is going to be $1.23 out of pocket. And we're going to submit to Ibotta. And Ibotta is going to give us back, 1 second here guys, I totally forgot about Ibotta. Ibotta is going to give us back 25 cents. So that's going to be like 98 cents for this cup of soup. That's a very nice snack, something nice for lunch for the kids, especially since school has started back. Okay, so then the next item that we're going to get are the SpaghettiOs. And the SpaghettiOs are 98 cents. We're going to get 2 of them. They're 98 cents a piece. So that'll be $1.96 that we're going to pay. But then we're going to submit our receipt to Ibotta, and we're going to get 50 cents back from Ibotta. I believe that's 50 cents. I'm all over the place right now, guys. I got kind of like thrown off with all that noise and music. So yes, it is 50 cents. So that means out of pocket, this is going to end up being $1.46 and helps us get our rebates. And we're going to move on to our next deal. Okay guys, I'm gonna grab a loaf of bread. I'm gonna get the Great Value bread. That's the cheapest. It is the honey wheat, and it's 98 cents. I'm gonna submit to Ibotta for a 10-cent rebate, so that's gonna be 88 cents for a loaf of honey wheat bread. You don't have to get honey wheat. You can get any kind that you want. This rebate attaches to just about any brand and any kind. So if you wanted to get regular wheat, that one's 88 cents. So totally up to you which one you get, but this is a great way to get 10 cents off of some bread. The other deal I'm going to do is on the Doritos 3D Crunch, and those are $2.98. I'm going to submit to Ibotta. I'm going to get $1 back, and then I'm also going to submit to Fetch, which is going to give me a couple more cents back. All right, our last offer is going to be on this Coke, and the rebate offer for Ibotta works only on the 20 ounce. So this is $1.98. I'm going to get 50 cents back. So I'm going to pay $1.48 for this Coke, and we're going to head up to the register. Okay guys, so this is everything in our cart. We have a bottle of Fabuloso, a bag of Doritos 3D Crunch, 2 Vaseline lip balms, a thing of cottage cheese, a Campbell's soup, 2 things of SpaghettiOs, a thing of Oikos yogurt, a loaf of bread, 3 bags of Nestle candy, a bottle of Nivea Breathable Lotion, a Nivea men's face cream, a bottle of Coke, and a CoverGirl eye blender. So that is our 13 rebates that we needed to complete our September Leaves bonus, as well as our Weekend Warrior bonus. So that's going to give us an extra $15 back on top of all the other offers that we get. So I will review the receipt with you once I get in the car. Okay guys, I am ready to finish up the video. Even though I did this transaction yesterday on Sunday to finish my Weekend Warrior bonus, you guys are just seeing it on Monday because I couldn't find my receipt. I don't know how I misplaced it, but I found it. So I wanted to go over the receipt with you guys and the rebates. So there is the Fabuloso for $2.97. The Nivea for $5.84, the lotion, and the $2 coupon came off of that. The Nivea men's cream for $2.97, $2 coupon came off of that. The 2 Vaseline Lip Therapies were 97 cents each. The CoverGirl eye blender I guess I picked the wrong one up because that one was $7.94, which really threw off my total, because the one I thought I picked up was $4.34, and they had a whole bunch of them in that aisle. So if you're going to do the CoverGirl deal, don't pick that one up. Please get the one for $4.34. And then it says my coupon was voided. So I'm like really mixed up on this coupon, on this receipt, but it still comes out to a nice deal anyway. But I think that oh no, my $2 coupon did come off of there. Okay, the next items were voided because for some reason my candy coupon wouldn't come off, and he had to enter that manually. So next you have the Doritos for $2.98, the 2 cans of SpaghettiOs for 98 cents each. I'm not sure. Oh, the Birkenstock or whatever that is, cottage cheese for $1.06. The Oikos yogurt for $1.06. The Campbell's soup for $1.98 and a 75-cent coupon for that. The Coke for $1.94. The wheat bread for 98 cents. The Crunch Fun Size candy, that is the Butterfinger, the Crunch candy bars for $2.98. The Butterfingers for $2.98, and the other Butterfingers for $2.98. And they manually entered the $2 coupon. So my subtotal was $33.81. I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got back a total of $27.95 from Ibotta. $12.95 were from the rebates, and I got $15 back in total for the bonuses. I got $5 back for the Weekend Warrior, and I got back $10 for the September leave. So that was a total of $27.95. When you subtract that from the $33.81, that meant I only paid $5.86 for this haul. And again, it would have been much cheaper if I would have picked up the correct CoverGirl product. That was $3 more than what I wanted to pay, $3.50 more that I wanted to pay. So this haul would have really only been $2.36. But that happens when you're couponing. But it's still a great haul. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to sign up for Ibotta if you haven't already done so. And as always, keep on saving.